The following program is brought to you by Caltech.
Dr. Carolyn Porco is a renowned planetary scientist and strong advocate of scientific outreach. She has played a key role in a number of discoveries about the rings and moons of the outer planets and is currently the leader of the imaging team on the Cassini mission to Saturn. In recognition of her many contributions, she has even had an asteroid named after her. After receiving her PhD from Caltech in 1983, Dr. Porco joined the University of Arizona's Department of Planetary Sciences and became a member of the Voyager imaging team. Along with Carl Sagan, she developed the idea of taking the first ever portrait of the planets with the Voyager spacecraft. These images of our solar system include the famous pale blue dot image of the Earth. Dr. Porco is director of the Cassini Imaging Central Laboratory for Operations, also called Cyclops. She and her team have discovered new Saturn moons and rings, sighted a hydrocarbon lake on Titan, and discovered possible water geysers erupting from another Saturn moon. She's also a member of the imaging team for the New Horizons missions on its way to Pluto, as well as a senior research scientist at the Space Science Institute in Boulder, and an adjunct professor at the University of Colorado at Boulder. She has helped bring the wonders of the cosmos to the general public through her popular TED Talks and many other venues. She has been featured in various media, including CNN, the BBC, and the New York Times. She also served as a science consultant on the films Contact and the most recent Star Trek. Carolyn?
Well, thank you, President Chameau. Thank you to the Caltech Distinguished Alumni Association for this very, very great honor. I remember someone a long time ago telling me that having an education from Caltech was like being armed with a silver bullet. And now that I have some years under my belt, I can say from personal experience that that individual was entirely correct. I would never have been able to do the kinds of things I've done in my professional life if I had not had the hard challenges and the opportunities that an education from Caltech provides. And that includes, those opportunities include, of course, working with the best and the brightest minds, scientists on the planet. Now, of course, over time, I came to find out what every other Caltech student finds out, that it's a hell of a lot easier getting into Caltech than getting out. And I probably know that better than anyone else because if truth be told, I had entirely too much fun working and studying here at Caltech. But get out, I finally did. And I distinctly remember as I was walking out the door of the South Mud building for the last time, as I was literally closing the door on my graduate student education here at Caltech, Bruce Murray, the former director of JPL, and a professor of mine in the Department of Planetary Sciences said to me, now don't forget, we expect great things from you. And so I take this award as prima facie evidence that I did not disappoint. Thank you.
Thank you.